Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Peter and I'm so excited to have you. Thank you for stopping by. Now in this video I'll be talking about the number two coin of my top 10 cryptocurrency for massive gain in 2021. So number one was API 3, and the video is somewhere the channel. It's linked to this video so you can watch that if you haven't. So number two is Uniswap. And before I get into the discussion about Uniswap, kindly subscribe to this channel and then make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you can be alerted when the other drop. You don't want to miss any of these top 10 videos, any of these top 10 coins for massive profits. You don't want to miss them. And please like, subscribe, share with your friend, and then ask your question or your comment in the comment section. I'll be waiting to have them. So let's get into Uniswap. Now, what is Uniswap? Uniswap is an exchange, but not the traditional kind of exchange that we have like Binance, like Bittrex, like Poloniex. I mean, those are old ones, OKX and all of those ones like that. Now Uniswap is a little bit different. Uniswap make it possible for you to swap any ERC token without your Ethereum or any coin leaving your wallet at all. It makes it easy and then very fast to do. So most people, especially when you're dealing with DeFi projects and all of that, which has made 2020 an awesome year for profit, most people had to use Uniswap. Of course, there are other ones apart from Uniswap, but then if you check any DeFi projects now, and maybe a few weeks and a few months before now, the first place you probably want to trade them is Uniswap, to swap them to Ethereum or to anything you want to swap them into, for people to buy and to sell back into Ethereum or anything you want to sell it into. So Uniswap is great for that use. And then one thing that made Uniswap so popular is the fact that few weeks ago they gave some of their user free tokens, 400 tokens. And as at that time, after that, the token was listed on many exchanges and then went as high as $3. I mean, went all the way to like $5, and then people made $1,000 to $1,200 and above for people that sold immediately and all of that. So now, since then, all eyes have been on Uniswap to look at what is this all about. I mean, what do we stand to gain from this? Now, let me quickly make this clear. If we are looking at, if you believe that 2020 is going to be a massive altcoin session, altcoin period in the crypto space, then you want to make sure that you pay attention to one of the most used exchange. Now, the same reason I also recommend Binance Coin as well. Now, but this video is about Uniswap, and that's why I'm going to focus on Uniswap. Uniswap is going to be used massively in the hot session because people will do a lot of transactions. So that's fundamental. Another thing is this: many of the coins that we move heavily in the 2021 bull run, some of them are ERC tokens, some of them are tradable on Uniswap, some of them have something to do with Uniswap. So Uniswap is just sitting at the center of some of these of the 2021 bull run, and then I don't want anyone to miss that. So we're going to look at the technicals, obviously, but then before we look at the technicals, let's look at this. Is it currently at $3.87, and then let's look at a few things. Historical data. This guy, got launched on at $3.32, and then went all the way up to, I know it touched $5 at some point. We'll check on the chart. Now let's look at market pair, or let's look at the chart first. Price even touched $6.70. That's wow. And then price fell back. People were selling because people got it for free, so many people sold, and there's no price they sold that was a total loss. So people were just selling and selling and selling. And I want to believe that the weekends has been pushed out of the market. People have sold, people that want to hold are holding, and then we now have real value for what we currently have in the market. Now, if you look at market pair, you will see that we have it on Binance, we have it on a lot of exchanges, and that's one of the most amazing thing about Uniswap. They were able to get listed on, a lot of exchanges almost at the same time. So we have it on Binance basically, and we have it on ETBTC. No, this is not ETBTC. We have it on HBTC. We have it on OKX. These are the one of the most popular for Orbit Global as well. So we have it on Coinbase Pro. Can you imagine? We have it on, of course, on Uniswap and all of watching V2. So now these are the market pair, and then it is very important to know that once we get into bull run where there will be a lot of transaction, there will be a lot of adoption, almost anything will fly. Now, one thing that must happen is the fact that the utility coin token for the exchange has to also do a bull run. Just like once more people drive vehicles, the fuel will have to, you will sell more fuel. That's what it means. So it is something very fundamental and something awesome to think of. Same reason I will always recommend Binance Coin for in that kind of environment. So let's go to the technicals and let's see what we have here. So this is the Uniswap chart. So this chart is showing that Uniswap went as high as $14, and I'm so surprised to see that right now. I didn't know it went that far, but closed around, the body closed around $6, just like we saw. But then, some people sold around $17. Are you kidding me? So now that's what we saw here. So now I want you to pay attention to currently what we are forming. So you can see price is in an uptrend, and then beyond that, price is constantly giving us a higher low. Look at this. This is first point, second point, third point. So if you've seen any of my videos, especially if you've seen the video where I discussed how to know if a zone or a key level is going to break. Now this is a typical example of what I was talking about. Once price keep giving you a higher low around the key level, just know that it's just a matter of time it's going to break. So we just keep getting higher low, and then eventually price is going to jump out of this particular key level with a very strong bullish candle. So any price you get Uniswap token below $4, it's a great buy. I believe it's a great buy. I so much believe currently, based on this chart and what is possible in the 2021 bull run, I believe is a very great buy. I believe it is a very great buy. So let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about Uniswap being a token that is currently mostly used? The platform is currently mostly used for ERC token swap and all of that. So let me know what you think about the Uniswap potential to go higher, especially based on this chart. And let me know what you think. If you find value in this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.